Okay, dito na kami papasok sa
English, Tagalog,
cave. Okay, we're already in the mouth of the Enchanted Kingdom. The Enchanted Cave of Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Rico.
And the river.
On the river of Kauai.
7 wonders of the world.
Yeah.
One of the 7 wonders.
Well, this is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Paminaw ka ba tapos isa-isa na ito? Oh, wow.
Dito na kami, papasok na sa cave. Saka makikita nyo mga bato. Yan. Madilim dito. Buti lang may camera na may ilaw yung GoPro.
Puerto Princesa Underground River.
So this is the Puerto Princesa underground.
Dapat na picturean niya
Cave?
kung saan nakastack yung ano niya, dapat nakapicture.
Ano, maglisod na sa... Sila na lang dito. Kasi itong mag-picture.
Kasama kami. Asin mo.
Yan.
Yan.
Dapat sundan mo daw yung light niya kung saan siya.
May tumutulo tubig galing sa bubong. Bubong na bato. Naglilik yung tubig.
Bat cave pala ito, bat cave.
Meron kami nakasalubong na isang grupo.
Yan.
God. Amazing.
Bat cave to bat cave.
Bat cave daw tawag nila dito kasi maraming mga bat. Pero wala palang makita. Siguro tulog pa sila.
Ito yung bat cave
Yeah.
sa right side ko na.
Yan, right side. Yan.
West side to? Yan, west side yan.
Bat cave daw ito.
Bat cave.
Maraming bat. Wala na yung what? Puro bat.
Wala ko si Ivan.
Oh. Marami daw ang bat dito. So, there's a lot of bats there because it's near the entrance of the cave. The bat cave tawag nila.
Rock formation na ito.
Ito ngayon yung mga rock formation. So the bat cave is 200 meters. Another guys.
Yan o, kung saan nila kanila.
Oh, there's a bat. I saw a bat.
Kasi lumilipad.
Oh,
At
oh, there's a lot of fish here. Crabs
mahina atin
and lobsters. The entire length of the river is 8.5 kilometers.
No, 1.5 lang tayo.
Oh, this is the deepest part of the river. This one here.
Kamot mo ako, pero ano sa tubig yan, ha? Siya. Ano yun?
Okay, this is the famous rock formation of the cave. Oh, there's a bat flying. See, a lot of bats. Wow.
ba't na lumilipad. Kasi,
Hindi naman ano ito, nag-hold.
ha?
Hindi nasa sa hindi nag-hold.
Naghanga ako cellphone.
The ceiling looks like clouds on the sky, Daddy.
Okay.
Sa ibabaw.
This is made of stone. You see the one here? That is made of stone.
Limestone.
Limestone. Oh.
Ito mo yung part yung lipat. Nakuha ko.
Oh, tumutulo. May tulo ang bubong. Oh.
Simbahan, no?
Oh. Ganda, gandang bubong. What a beautiful scenery. Wow, a lot of bats flying.
Pag malamig po yung tumutulo, holy water po yun. Pag mainit po siya, holy shit naman po.
Pag mainit, holy shit. Pag malamig, holy water.
Malamig, holy water.
Oh, there's a cross over there. Maybe, what's that? To drive away bad spirit. Yeah, it looks like a cloud in the sky according to them.
Yan, o dito.
Clouds daw yung formation ng kahoy. Yung bato. The oldest museum.
So this is being formed hundred of thousands of years.
Uy, pamilya ka dinosaur.
Lagi during the dinosaur days.
Yan o, dinosaur. Yan ang life ko dati.
Huh?
Dinosaur.
Can I? Yeah, that's one.
Mahina ka na. Yan, T-Rex. Taba naman. Hindi ka kami minaw sa inyong mga life.
Yung tumutulong po sa tubig, sa tubig po yan. Ito ay matakas sa ano. Wala na tumutulong sa tubig.
The stalactite daw yan. That's stalactite. It was formed long time ago. Yeah. They call that stalactite. Oh, it grows and grows as time goes on. Stalactite and stalagmite.
Parang floating dinosaur ba yan?
Ha?
Parang T-Rex na floating dinosaur.
Oh, it looks like a T-Rex dinosaur.
Looks like.
Yeah, it looks like T-Rex dinosaur. Okay, 1971, it was established as a national park. Wow, there's a bat. I saw a bat. Oh, another boat coming out.
Cathedral. We're going.
We're going now to the cathedral. Wow.
No noise daw.
Ano itong
Ayan o, Virgin Mary. Ayan o.
Oh,
Mama Mary.
yeah, it looks like a Virgin Mary. See that one? The figures look like a Virgin Mary. Okay, another boat is coming out.
Wow. Hello. What's this like? On the place.
Left side. Ah,
Pegasus pa ba?
oh, it looks like a horse. Yeah, it looks like a horse.
they call this portion cathedral dahil malaki ang
Stalactite? I think this is a stalactite formation. Wow.
cathedral para siyang open, malaki.
Stalactite. Stalagmite down.
Ano yan?
Stalactite up.
Ito yung cathedral.
Oh, that is the cathedral.
Cathedral. Cathedral.
Cathedral. Oh,
Parang si Virgin Mary.
Yun o, si Mama Mary.
oh.
Ayan. On the right side. Ay, mga estatwa.
Biggest example of stalagmite.
So parang
These are stalagmites.
Cacao formation. Saan? Ayan. Oh, okay.
Okay, this one is a cacao
Yung maliit na yun, wala na.
formation.
parang horse o kabayo may pakpak.
Yan, horse. Yan, horse. Yan.
Oh, it looked like a horse.
Okay.
Left side. Left side.
Oh, a formation of Holy Family. See that one? It's a formation like a Holy Family.
Joseph.
Somebody is kneeling. Yeah. Okay, stalactite. Hanging from the ceiling. Stalactite. Oh. Stalagmite. Okay.
Ayun, nakita ko yung mga puti, parang crystal na ano.
Stalagmite, stalactite. Okay. The next one is the market. They said the formation here looks like a vegetable and fruits.
Garlic, garlic. Ayan ang
This one
garlic formation.
looks like a garlic.
Look like the garlic. Ayun yung mga ano.
Cacao
Yeah, this one.
formation.
Yan, ito cucumber. Cucumber.
Kana-
Cucumber.
This one looks like a cucumber.
Sinasabi ko yung crystal na
Sweet yan yan. Walang tamasyon.
Japanese sweet corn is beside it.
Sa left side niyo po yung mushroom. Sa kaliwa.
Itong mushroom doon sa kabila niya. Mushroom.
Kani?
Sa loob.
Okay. This one is mushroom. It looks like a mushroom. It's nice. Big mushroom.
May mga bat na lumilipad.
Marketplace ito. This is the marketplace.
Ito parang pipino. Pipino and 1/4 sayote.
Magkano ang kilo dito?
Walang set. Pechay bali
Oh, pichay. Cabbage.
and peanut. Yan.
Oh, the peanut pie.
Ito yung pinaka-favorite. My favorite.
Mas malaki sa manino.
Oh, there's a lot upstairs.
Eggplant. Katabi ko niyan. Fried eggplant.
O yun yung sinasabi ko.
Oh, stone eggplant.
Banana.
Parang may anak siya. Tumulong.
The heart of the banana. Oh, there's a lot of bat.
Ayun na yun isa. What is it? Puso ng sabi.
Ito yung carrots po. Carrots.
Oh, bunch of carrots. Okay, the next one is chicken breast.
Daming bat po.
Oh. Oh, there's a bat, lot of bats.
Daming bat.
Oh, a lot of bats.
Daming bat.
Oh. See that? It's all bats.
Quiet. Quiet.
Those are bats. Those are bats. A lot of bats.
Pag hindi na po gumagalaw yung bat, ang tawag dyan, low bat.
That's so cute. Dog. Oh, yes. It's low bat. Ay, pag-yuk-yuk.
Oh, there's according to them, there's a lot of guano here.
Kasarahan ng parang ng underground river.
Yeah, it looks like a smoky mountain here. Okay. They are bat droppings or locally known as guano. It's a good organic fertilizer for plants, but it is not allowed to get anything from here.
Patayin na doon ang light dati.
Tayo na?